Adobong manok. Lutuin ko na may atay. Ayan. Pinahubsan ko muna siya.
And here is a isang pinalakay ng House Committee on Justice ang grounds for impeachment sa third degree complaint laban kay Vice President Duterte nang simulan ang deliberasyon.
In other words, these allegations about acquisitions of Vice President Sara as the duly appointed Secretary of Education is not within the jurisdiction of impeachment order.
Kaya pag-contra ng ilan, hindi pwedeng hiniwalay at pag-ibig at pag-ibigay ng Secretary of State at
Ito na ang aking adobo. Kailangan may sabaw-sabaw konti. Atay at saka laman. Pakpak. Ito na.